According to the current National Electrical Code, specifically the 2023 National Electrical Code, overcurrent protection must be provided on the primary side of all transformers, as stated in section 450.3 A1. Furthermore, overcurrent protection must also be provided on the secondary side of all transformers, as outlined in section 450.3 A2. Looking back at the historical National Electrical Code requirements prior to the 1999 National Electrical Code, there was an exception for transformers that were 50 kV or less and used in industrial installations. This exception permitted the omission of primary and secondary overcurrent protection, but only under certain conditions. Firstly, the transformers needed to be installed in a dedicated transformer room. Secondly, the transformer primary conductors had to be protected against short circuits by the overcurrent device protecting the feeder supplying the transformer. Thirdly, the transformer secondary conductors had to be protected against short circuits by the overcurrent devices protecting the branch circuits or equipment connected to the transformer secondary. Considering a scenario where transformers are rated at 30 kV each, they would fall below the 50 kV threshold specified in the Premise 1999 National Electrical Code. However, if these transformers are not installed in a dedicated transformer room, they would not meet the exception conditions outlined in the ELA code. Therefore, the installation would have violated the National Electrical Code even 25 years ago. The absence of overcurrent protection on both the primary and secondary sides of the transformers introduces fire and safety hazards. To bring an installation like this up to code, it is essential to add overcurrent protection to both the primary and secondary sides of the transformers. Primary protection can be achieved by installing a fuse or circuit breaker in the feeder that supplies power to the transformer. Secondary protection can be provided through the installation of fuses or circuit breakers in the distribution panel boards. These protective devices are crucial for ensuring the safety and compliance of the electrical system.